Remember we watch on what you know? I drink beer blood clot. Only never drink Ensure. That spray. Like on a blood clot eat food for spray so much juice out and out. On a stink. But on a spray Ensure. Like if you'd have come in a one gang, you'd have come so much. And then them big stinking waste girl about, oh, poor wish Ensure. I want to get some gasoline and chew up and gas too dear too. Kerosene and chew up on your blood clot and light. You say, bitch, burn.
Ensure.
I'm ensuring that you're crispy. You stink like both on a dash for Ensure. And Ensure is so fucking expensive. Then you have the nerves to go beg somebody money. Yeah. Word harder foreign. Guess what me there? Me there in a blood clot fan.
Bruk fan.
Pound one and that. I mean I watch these fuckers and I say, me want to see one of them pussy that beg me a money. I remember me calling in and me always give people, but me just want to see somebody call me and beg me a money after you're done by a case of Ensure and chew up your blood clot self to make a what was that for? Drink the blood clot Ensure because you're hungry. Ensure that your blood clot belly full. Ensure is very expensive. So that's why I tell you that Jamaican people are wicked and they don't want to cost people are foreign when the people them not send money come go, you know. And I talk about on the deal with my friend them wicked. Go suck on no mama. On our wicked. That's why the government are raise up the blood clot food pound on go dead. Hungry go kill on a blood clot. And then make Bruk raise up something tomorrow. You hear them, why cost of living and you have Ensure a chew upon yourself?
Wicked.
Did you know that Ensure is a meal, a balanced meal?
Yeah, it's like a whole meal.
One Ensure is a balanced meal. And me see who know that chew a balanced meal pound yourself and we watch on a blood clot this mountain. Watch all the people about clot on this mountain. I bet you go wish you never did do that with Ensure. Because none of you.
Because a tin of Ensure for about $500 or $600.
About $500-600 for your Ensure.
Wow.
Remember me watch you not do the Ensure now. So Ensure that you have blood clot end of month money. You know stink like.
And it depends on which part of Jamaica they live. They could be there.
You know, hear me telling you. Ensure that you not have end of month money. Suck out to the mama. Then again, no can call me. Fucking hell, my phone not taking Jamaican calls. My phone is immune to Jamaica for this month. After the Ensure vice gone, then it open back to Jamaica. Me not take no Jamaica call. The only person can call me from Jamaica, I must be my daughter then. Yeah, me not take no Jamaica call. Cause nobody will did I use Ensure can come Ensure my money. Oh, you fucking mad. And some of them had like, some of them had 3-4 back show. That's $1,500, you know. That's 1,500 Jamaican dollars you dash away, you know. To ensure that you get a hype on Instagram. Alright, pussy yet. Only thing you get beaten yet. More expensive. Ensure is expensive in abroad. In England, Canada, and America. It's expensive. When we got Publix, Ensure, a $28 for your case of Ensure, a blood clot Florida. $28 enough. Where you tell me say? I can buy a girl a bumbo clot burger and a biggie fries and the beach belly full. And still have change. I want to have Ensure at £2 one head. And then only think that was funny. So it was funny. Alright then. I could see how funny it's gonna be in mountain. Cause me, no pussy can call me and beg me no money. Not this month. Beg me next month. You better blood clot survive the month. Yeah. Survive the month. Yeah. Allow me to tell Taya. Fuck wrong with you now. But to now, sure, Ensure. What's wrong with y'all? Real man.
70 mile per hour speed limit.
I mean, no. One, they can't tell you that they didn't buy the Ensure. Because Ensure mostly sell in supermarket at Jamaica.
That's expensive.
And that was the fuck up thing. Ensure sell in the dear parts of Jamaica. And you fucking people was throwing away Ensure like it was going. The fucking people them going, Mr. Chin, give me some Ensure. Ensure done. Mr. Chin, I'll rise the price by Ensure.
Oh.
I only need a buy too. Now wicked. Now you see, and then on the ball to people are far that month here. Mothers, watch out, brother, watch me live. Even if you never see the live, out of one, you shouldn't have used such a dear product. Sad, rated, slack. Use some water on a pussy. And then, when you see him, I go beg somebody when you spend all 15 to 2 grand your mother. But at the barber shop. I say, bitch, when you see you do video what you are about, don't do fuckery. Don't follow fool and do fuckery. Fuckery on do. What? I want to go ball. And nobody now go business. Because people are going to say, we need to do the insure thing. And them now go help on them. Real fuckery on do what there. Everybody get insured and ensure that they insure. So ensure that you have money. Fuck wrong with you. Before you go lime juice. Warm to lime. Nothing wrong with lime. When you could have used lime, when you use a dear fucking product. Ensure all dear and a tin of body beef to post it, a tin of mackerel. Yeah. Come on, man. Fuck you wanna do. But me I tell you no. No pussy can't ask me for nothing that mountain here. Gonna have to wait till the ensure and me ensure that me feel good about it.
Ensure there than a pound of chicken.
Ensure is fucking there. It's $500 for a buckler ensure at some place at $590 something or $600. And these fucking idiot was using ensure, the amount of ensure them use. A case is a ensure. So listen to me. Ensure that you have money. If the world watch and see what you know. Don't think the world no watch and see what you know. Oh, I enjoy you that enjoy yourself. Alright then enjoy blood clot hungry that mountain here. $700 for ensure. And what do you not ball to people foreign say? Nothing now go on. And you have when the government see you do things like that, probably 12 or more for the rest of the day till probably way down in the night. Did you watch out now go ensure how the hungry go beat on the blood clot? I can't tell nobody but I just showed at the in thing. Well the in thing is hungry now.
70 mile per hour speed limit camera ahead. Please watch your speed.
Cause everybody are foreign. Everybody when they are foreign country have to pay their bills this month end. They have their things to do a month end. And not only watch out now to pussy clad. Labor Day this weekend for them. And then you know a holiday in England, Canada, America next week. On the mountain, you know, did you know it's holiday? In England, it's gonna be bank holiday. In Canada, I think Victoria Day. In America, it's gonna be Memorial Day. So the 3 main countries we want to get money from are holiday. The people that go on this blood clot mountain. So I want to ensure on this. You're not dead if you're hungry. But you never know. Last week, we do insurance. Canada is Victoria Day. That means Canada have holiday starting from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the Monday is holiday. In case you don't know about geography and know about cultures. In England, Great Britain, it's gonna be holiday. Right, Gandhi? Bank holiday. In America, it's Memorial Day. So nobody now got time to ensure that uno eat food. Uno got blood clot dead for hungry the weekend. Yeah. All the dolly them, eh? The dolly them will depend on the little foreign man. He might bring out 3 girls. So you now get no money that month. I forgot to tell you now. The dolly them, we have your little Englishman. We are call you a Jamaican and tell you, hey girl, make sure you don't fuck nobody down there and chat up the man down there. Him not sending the money that weekend. The man them in Canada, what upon? You and one fam? What you doing, vibes? Him not sending the money that weekend you need, you know. You never know. So ensure that you can endure the hungry that weekend, that mountain. It's a week. Alright, watch. Look if I lie, me I tell. Because you never remember say a holiday that mountain in the 3 major countries around the world. So, how you gonna get money? When a man there, England, I say, party you go on tonight, and party you go on the whole weekend. When a man there, Memorial Weekend in Miami, him not take a call. So you ensure that you're not gonna get no money this year, love. This month and you're not gonna get no money, yeah? And if your man is in Canada, Canada have a lot of things. Victoria Day, man's step on the ends and you're on a roll, fam. You're not gonna get the money. It's Jamaica for life. So all of uno not get no money this weekend. England, Canada, and America has holiday this month end. Oh, like a bridge over troubled waters. Da da dee da dum. The fuck of them never know, you know. I swear. None of them never know say a holiday in England, Canada, and America this month end. Bet y'all didn't know that. Hey! So, you see after the live, yeah? You gotta hear some girl, babes. Remember say we're not gonna have holiday, you know, so send the money now. The man them not gonna answer the phone. Yo, Mar, to me go say it now. You gotta hear a girl, man. I come off a matter of life, I gotta call the people, man. Babes, you send the thing now. I put on my clothes and go, because the water come back, I well afraid. Hurry! Me not save the life. Alright. You see true, me love you know. I'm gonna talk about the things them a while ago. I want to fuck them up. I'm done go spill the beans. So, here what? Me I go end the life. That means if your man was at work, yeah, he wouldn't have saw the matter around life. Only remember, enough of the man them in England, Canada, America, them are work the life. So they're not gonna know. Alright, so it's a 361 people, but you know say a couple thousand people up on the live, right? So it's only we alone know. So me not gonna save the life. Okay? So if I were you, go chop the line. Ladies, go chop the line now. Early morning now. Give him the message from now. That means when he come from work, him go send off the money, please. Because and when you get the money, no say today are the what? Today are the 11. Today are 11. Pick the money to mountain. So make sure him send 5 bills. If I can hear that, tell him say send a grand no babes if you can send a grand. And if him there England, send him a £5, £500, £300. If America, get a 5 bills or a grand and save it. No, Classy T is a real thing. Debbie Rich, Marmar, Swiffy, a real thing. 12 now, ladies. Next week is mountain. I'm telling you, you're not gonna get him on his phone. You're not. And like me answer my phone every blood clot day. You now gonna get your people's on the phone. Me I tell you, if the man there Miami for the weekend or Texas for LLS weekend, you not gonna answer you. Cause him over there and girl over there round and not gonna answer you. And if him there in the UK, it's bank holiday. Football match I keep, barbecue I keep, he's not gonna answer you. So if I were you, chop a line from now. Tell him say you have doctor appointment, you have to go see a gynecologist, you feel one pain on your right side and it a move to your left side and the doctor tell you to come in and for send one 5 bills because you know the doctor be. Please, you see me I help out back on a little nasty ass. No, I don't want to save the life because the fellas them are gonna watch it and them all see and them all hear the party and them all say bumbo clad. A real talk. So me don't want to fuck up everybody. chop the line. Tell him say, the water rate, the water no come and babes, me not have no water, back of water me have to buy, and me run out of money, and worse the baby, me say, the pitney them, me have to give the pitney them water for drink and water for bathe and water for go school, and the water gone. Tell him to send a grand, send a 5 bills. Do it now. Chop a line. Chop a line. Go like this. Text him and call him. WhatsApp him. Call. Left a message. Bills. And me again.
Call me back.
Call me back. You have to send some money because me run out of money. Don't send the money in my name because you know Western Union block me. Send the money in a Punchinella. Punch Nella. Yeah. Punchinella. Me go text your number. Yeah. Send it today, yeah? Alright. And the message, do good, but you need to get the money. So message him back again, voice note. Babes, remember to do the thing, you know. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Do that. Do it now. Chop a line. You should move on. You should move on them. You should. Go.
Oh, Jesus. Trouble.
Go chop the line. Send the money in a punchy. Nella, yeah. Punch Nella. Yeah. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, she will pick up the money. Love you again. Mwah, mwah. Do the love you 4 times. Ensure that you get the money. I'm warning you fuckers. You see?
And you create them dolly there.
You someone.
Yeah, that's how you make them.
When you get the killy them crazy, you know.
Yeah, man, you make them dolly there.
Yo, mama, you see me want them. Daddy, when you can't say me no want no dog. Me know you never get no money mountain. Me I tell you no.
Do it from now.
Do it from now. Come up with a lie.
Some script.
Why go and lock it? Me I tell the girl I'm over chopping line, man. But lock it, you know. Them never can call and lock it. My barber. Why can call lock it mountain? When the Dan goes and goes a Gucci, when we step out and movie. Pussy crap. The Dan now answer the phone. If me want a haircut, me have to go get the haircut from Wednesday.
Yeah.
Lock it now answer the phone Thursday. Where? Them man in a barber. Them man in a artist. Fashionista. Lock it now answer him phone. And me and brother like that and him not answer him phone. Me I tell you no. Please go chop the line. Oh Lord, go chop. Me not ask you no. Me I tell you no. A holiday in England, Canada, America, mountain, and you now go get 90% of the people who no want get. So go chop your line. Chop your line. Your phone out of service. You better borrow somebody phone and blood clot message him and say, babes, me know you don't like answer strange number, but I'm a friend phone me a borrow. The doctor say me have one lump on my neck back and say my neck little bit and my neck want stretch. So them I go look on it and see if them can stretch my neck. It a go cost me about them say 150,000, but if me come with 75,000 now or 80,000, them can stretch my neck. So send the money now, please and thanks. Mwah, mwah, love you. Chapel.
No, the scammer them out, you know? Yo, fuck. Trust me.
Yo, where me stay, so? I be a fucker, me go and, yo, channels there, you know?
So when the scammer them out,
Don't forget that, mwah, mwah. You have to voice note. You can't just text. You have to do WhatsApp voice note. Do the WhatsApp voice note.
I know that they're doing about then send you one look up video, man, and that video, you can look on the video and see that video there and look on the Instagram already.
Me I tell you. And for the girl them, when no one fuck some like a mean boy, me have to go into that. Last advice, okay? Last advice. For the girl them where fuck some little mean boy, where you know that boy there. Him freaky, but him mean, and he will spend him money, you know. Send him a pussy picture. Cause shave up your pussy and take a picture and say just for you. Could do it now. You just wake up. So you have a beard lick cause water come back. The dolly them, we don't have a look a freaky man in England, Canada, America. I don't want a good the one money this week. Shave off your pussy with a little razor, boom bam mama said, babes, we can't wait for you to come. And send him a little pussy picture. Send him one where you feel up your breast and you go like this. And long out your tongue and send him a pussy picture. He will run the money quicker. Remember, after you send him the video, send him another voice note. Babes, you see all of this for you, all of this I wait for you now. Remember to send the money to Punchinella. Punch Nella. Yeah? Love you. Mwah, mwah. Do it. Yo, look more. Fuck off, man. We're not going no more joke. People could have all arthritis and drop down a heart attack. Look come on. My love one. May I save the life.